Hey, good afternoon everyone. This is the video for this snorkel mask. We are live. $230. Got the list here. 10 entries. Mark on the top, mark on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 8 times at $230. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gone 7 times. You got Steve on the top. You must go 8. Good luck wish coming your way at $230. $230. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this snorkeled mask. Congratulations goes to Spot 2, Sue. Congratulations, Sue. Send me a PM with your shipping information, and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 2:30. 2:30. Congratulations, Sue. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.